What's up, YouTube? Broken Solar Panel here. Today we're going to be launching some model rockets. First, we have one that I picked out of the trash a long time ago and repaired. It was missing the engine holder, and I managed to find it and glue it back in place. So this rocket works now. Also, 2 rockets from a Hobby Lobby model rocket set. There's supposed to be a third one, an orange one, but it's missing because I lost it a long time ago. And we have the engines right here for this rocket over here. We have these 4 engines over here for these 2 rockets. We have a launch pad, stick, clickers, and a custom rocket launcher. I have this black tape here because part of my real name shows up here, so I decided to censor it. We also have this custom launch button that was made out of an old push light. It doesn't actually light up though. We got storage for the wadding, for the parachute. We got the main storage over here, where the rockets and everything goes in. We got the storage for the batteries, the engine drawers, so we can put the engines in there. We also have the main leads that connect to the igniter to launch the rocket. We have the 9-volt battery holder here, where we actually put the 9-volt to connect the batteries to. And then we also have this custom rocket launcher, so we can store certain things. Like we can store the rockets in here. Yeah, get in there. There we go. The launch pad. Like that. Put the rocket right in here. And then we have the stick right there. So we go ahead and shut that. It'll shut. There we go, got it. And then we also have the battery storage compartment. This is a storage compartment, so it doesn't have any connectors in it. We can store the batteries used to launch the rocket right in here. Here's the battery holder for connecting the batteries. We have a storage compartment for the rockets, the engines, I should say. Also the igniters and the plugs. The big engines are for the bigger rocket, and the smaller engines are for the smaller rockets. So I guess I just sort of stated the obvious there. It's named the Mission Control Launch Charger. So we're named after NASA's Mission Control Base. Over here we have the connector leads for connecting the rocket, so we can launch it from a safe distance. So we can unroll the wire like this, and then we can connect it to the launch pad. It's got little alligator clips. So when I press the launch button, it'll launch the rocket. So what else would it say? I'm also going to be recording a second angle launch with this camera. The other camera I used to record the Hickory Ridge 2001, and the quality was a little blurry because it was zoomed in with manual focus. Yeah, so now let's use the Tornado Siren Madness teleportation capabilities to teleport to the launch site. Mega Blaster Jr., take me to Chalco Recreational Area's soccer field. Here we are, out to the launch site. Thanks Mega Blaster for bringing me here. So let's go ahead and set up this homemade rocket launcher. I also have these earmuffs so I can keep the bugs out of my ears. And Dad, you mind me holding the camera because I don't have the tripod with me? Technically I do, but the tripod mount on this thing is broken as F. I mean, seriously. Can you see that right there? Look at that, it's missing entirely. And this won't even close. Jeez, because I dropped this once when the tripod was in, and it bent, it like snapped out. So anyway, let's go ahead and set this thing up there first by unraveling the connector wires. Alright, we just loaded an engine into the rocket. A launcher is connected. This camera is recording. It's hopefully going to capture a shot going like all the way up there. You know, there's a rocket up there. It's not a model rocket, it's like a jet, but yeah. So go ahead and kick that shut. And now comes the dangerous part, the takeoff. We take a battery out, put it in the connector. There, armed. We are hot. So when I push the button, the rocket should take off.
It was at this point I knew I had messed up.
Yeah. Or not. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
No more Mr. Nice Guy. No more Mr. Clean. No more Mr. Nice Guy. They say he's sick. He's a sea.
See it? It disappeared.
I think I see it. I think it's falling.
I don't see it. I always have a hard time finding it. Here's the parachute after we failed to put in some wadding. Oh, it went straight into the sun. Come on. Oh, it went straight into the sun. Come on. Oops. Oh, and it jammed into the ground. I think it exploded. It just didn't sound right. I think I just won at lawn darts. Dad, get over here. Oh my god. Oh, and it blew out the the rocket engine is gone. And so is the cap. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh, and it jammed into the ground.
What happened?
I think it exploded.
I guess it did.
It just didn't sound right. I think I just won at lawn darts. Yeah, get over here. Oh my god. Oh, and it blew out the rocket engine is gone.
Oh man.
The cap.
Jeez. We need the cap.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
It jammed into the ground. I don't know, the engine jammed its way into the rocket here. Oh, it broke. Oh, I'll get that piece. You get the other piece. Oh, they landed right next to each other. Okay, good. How'd that even happen?
Oh, we got trouble.
Oh, I'll get that piece. You get the other piece.
Oh, they're right next to each other. You can get them both.
Okay, go get it.
Oh, it's coming straight at me.
Okay, go get it.
Geez. It's gonna land on me.
The final launch. Because it cut into it. Yeah, the parachute's in there, but it's sort of cut into the plastic there.
Hey, it stayed together.
Yeah, crap, I think we lost another one. It's a solar panel over there. It's like one of those weather things. Yeah, it looks like some birds crapped on top of it up there. We can zoom in on that. That bird crap, yeah. Some birds crapped on top of this solar panel. Yeah. There's this weathermatic. Something looks like it broke off here. Oh, here we go. Yeah. It's funny, it looks like a little tornado siren. Like a Hyper Model 2. It looks like this is supposed to glue on or attach right here. It's like an antenna of some sort. Hang on a second. Then open this up because I can. Someone catches me and kicks me out, I don't really care, but yeah, there's like 2 AA's in there. Hey, if you can hear me, I'm taking apart your little turd. I'm gonna push this button because I can. Yeah. Look at that, I think I broke it. Wait, no, I didn't. Oh, and someone left the key on it, too. Guys, the guys taking care of this thing are total idiots. They left the key on this thing so anyone can hack this thing. And this broke off and they decided not to fix it. I wonder where Dad is. What if that key can also unlock this lock? Right down here. Nope, it doesn't fit.